Hey there folks, Mohammad Zaripour here. You know, most days I find myself knee-deep in some messy job, whether it's mucking out stalls or unclogging sewers. And you better believe that kind of work requires a whole lot of planning and organization. That's why today we're talking about something a little different, project management. Now before you click away thinking, what does this guy know about spreadsheets and Gantt charts? Hear me out. Project management isn't just for corporate bigwigs or construction foremen, it's a set of principles that can help anyone get things done more effectively. Ever wondered how project management principles can boost your personal productivity? Let's dive in. Time management is the cornerstone of any successful project, and it's no different when it comes to your own life. Think about it. You've got 24 hours in a day, just like everybody else. The key is to use those hours wisely, and that's where setting clear goals comes in. Just like on a job site, you wouldn't start digging without knowing where the foundation's going, right? Same goes for your personal life. Figure out what you want to achieve, whether it's finishing that online course or finally cleaning out the garage. Once you know where you're headed, break down those big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. And speaking of tackling, set deadlines for each task. Deadlines provide a sense of urgency and keep you accountable. But here's the thing about deadlines, they've got to be realistic. There's no point in setting yourself up for failure by cramming a week's worth of work into a single day. Be honest with yourself about how much you can realistically accomplish. Remember, effective time management is about working smarter, not harder. By setting clear goals, breaking down tasks, and setting realistic deadlines, you'll be amazed at how much more productive you can be. Now, let's talk about risk management. In any project, things are bound to go wrong. The pipe bursts, the power goes out, or maybe you just spill coffee all over your keyboard. Hey, it happens. The key is to anticipate potential obstacles and have a plan in place. Think of it like wearing a hard hat on a construction site. You might not always need it, but when you do, you're sure glad you've got it. Start by identifying potential roadblocks that could derail your progress. Maybe it's procrastination, unexpected interruptions, or just plain old burnout. Once you know what you're up against, you can start brainstorming solutions. For example, if you know you're prone to procrastination, try breaking down tasks into smaller, less intimidating chunks. Set yourself a timer for 25 minutes and focus on just one thing at a time. If interruptions are a problem, try creating a dedicated workspace where you can focus without distractions. Put your phone on silent, close your email, and let everyone know you're in the zone. The point is, by anticipating and planning for potential risks, you can minimize their impact and keep your productivity on track. Alright, let's talk prioritization. We've all got a million things on our to-do lists, but the truth is, not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, demanding immediate attention, while others are important, contributing to our long-term goals. And then there are those that are just, well, let's call them time wasters. The key to effective prioritization is figuring out which tasks deserve your attention and which ones can be delegated, deferred, or even ditched altogether. One popular method is the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks based on their urgency and importance. Urgent and important tasks go in the do-it-now quadrant. These are the things that require your immediate attention, like dealing with a crisis or meeting a critical deadline. Important but not urgent tasks belong in the schedule it quadrant. These are things that contribute to your long-term goals, like learning a new skill or working on a personal project. Urgent but not important tasks fall into the delegate it quadrant. These are things that need to be done, but not necessarily by you. Consider delegating these tasks to a colleague, friend, or family member. Finally, tasks that are neither urgent nor important should be placed in the eliminate it quadrant. These are the time wasters that drain your energy and prevent you from focusing on what truly matters. By prioritizing your tasks effectively, you can make sure you're always working on the things that will have the biggest impact on your life. So there you have it, a crash course in applying project management principles to your personal life. Look, I know it might seem a little strange at first applying these concepts to your everyday routine, but trust me, the principles of time management, risk management, and prioritization can make a world of difference in how much you accomplish. It's like the difference between tackling a demolition project with a sledgehammer and a well-oiled excavator. Sure, you can get the job done with brute force, but having the right tools and strategies makes the whole process smoother, more efficient, and a heck of a lot less messy. By applying these project management principles, you can take control of your personal productivity and achieve greater success in your everyday tasks. Thanks for watching.